I hear it now.
Follow me. I'll see if Keith will do it for you. I'll probably say no.
Oh, Fudge got him gone.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him gone. 269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66, no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on Forgiato rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
269 classic cars. What's going on? Today I am here about to drop off big snow. It's time for me to put some running boards on here, man. I'm tired of jumping down off of this truck, in and out this truck. I drive this truck every day. And matter of fact, let me let you guys see what I'm talking about. I drive this truck every day, and I'm so sick of jumping in and out of it. And so I decided it's finally time to put some running boards on it. I didn't know what running boards I wanted to put on it because the truck don't have no chrome on it, and I really wanted to keep a white thing with it because it's big snow. So let me let you see. Check it out. As you can see how high it is. So I'll be having to jump up, jump down. It was cool for a while, but now I done got tired of it. Jumping up and down about this truck. So we're gonna go on in here. Yeah, I put some black running boards on it. What they call it, nerf bars. Or I can get some black ones and paint it white. But I don't know if that's gonna look right. And I wanna put some black covers over these rear lights. 269 classic cars. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put some tint these lights to see if they got some covers to put on it. And I'm also want to see these yellow markers. Let me see, there's too much sun right here. These yellow markers right here on this side. I'm gonna get rid of them too. But yeah, let's go up in here and see what type of running boards they got. See what they got in here. Let me see what I posted. Let me see what they got. Anybody back here? Nope. Let's go around here and see what they got. Yeah, man, I gotta get these running boards so I can stop jumping in and out this truck. And for big snow to upgrade. Should have been upgraded. So let's see. So this is the running boards here. Black. See, this is chrome. This one chrome. That ain't gonna look right because ain't no chrome on the car. What they got up there? Now this one ain't bad. We can do something like that. Nope, chrome ain't gonna work. Chrome ain't gonna work. Let me see what they got. I don't know. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back with y'all in a minute. Let me talk to him, see which running boards I want to go with. Man, that one 900. Starting at 9,805. All right, man. Give me a second. Hold on. Let me see which ones I want to go with. All right, guys. So there you go. All done. So stay tuned. Should I make this 2 videos and make you wait? No, I ain't gonna do that. So they told me come pick it up tomorrow, and he is gonna gonna put the running boards on there. I picked them out. I coulda did black and he wrap them and put them on there, but he is gonna blacken my tail lights out, so that's gonna be black. I'm gonna like that. And then he said he couldn't do these markers, this orange marker. He's not gonna be able to do that for me, so that's gonna stay orange. But we will have some running boards on there. So I don't know, man. It's either gonna be black. Definitely ain't gonna be chrome, but they either gonna be black or white. So you will know pretty soon. We're gonna come back, pick this thing up tomorrow, and let you guys see what them new running boards gonna look like on there, man. So stay tuned, keep watching the video. Should we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, psych, and let you see it? Or should I just make you wait? I ain't gonna make you wait, man. Check it out. We're gonna get right back at you and see what Big Snow looking like in a second, man. All right, guys, let's go out here. It's been raining all day, so I ain't had a chance to show y'all, but we back. The magic of YouTube. So let's go see what color I painted these running boards. Did I paint them black? Did I paint them white? What running boards did I put on there? I had a few people telling me, since it's Big Snow, let me lock this door before we go out the back. Telling me since it's Big Snow, doing white. Excuse me, I'm hungry. Watermelon, been at work all day. Eat you some fruit. Fruit good for you. Hit this white. But yeah, we're gonna go out here and see what color they are. What color we do? Black or white? Everybody was telling me to put the running boards on there and go. Look, it's nice. Look at the sun shining now. It's been raining all day. So telling me to go white. Don't put black on there. Then I seen some black Nerf bars with the chrome on there. But the truck don't have no chrome on it, so we couldn't do chrome. So what you think we did? Oh, let me show you this right quick. Let's get it together. Let me show you what we did do. What we wind up doing. Let me get around here to the back. Check this out, guys. So we did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think of these Nerf bars, running bars that we put on here. But anyway, we tinted the tail lights. Yes, sir. What you think of that? We tinted those up. I like that. I wanted him to let me show you. I wanted him to do up here what he said, like tint over that orange, but he said he couldn't do it. He said he wasn't gonna be able to do that, but that's all right. But did we go black or white? Or did we just get no running boards at all? Did we say that, man, we ain't gonna put no running boards on there. We just gonna keep jumping up in the truck. We gonna keep jumping up in there. But no, we didn't. Hold on. That's what we decided to do. Look at that. That's what we decided to do. Yes, sir. Man, I ain't want no black. I ain't want no white. I wanted my truck to stay looking the way it is and still not having to jump up in there. So we did that to it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. I think that was a better idea. Let me go on this side. You can't really see it too much. So man, it's been raining and storming, not the sun. Look at that. See, you can't even tell they on there. Look the same. I tell you, abracadabra. Yes, sir. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. That's way better than put them big black ones. Now, ain't nothing wrong with them now. I don't be wanting to offend nobody, but you know, you do what you can do when you can do it. But this is what I decided to do with old Big Snow. You feel me? Oh, and another thing, let me tell y'all. Come and look at that. This is like, man, I don't know. We done did like 300 shirts, 300 of these shirts. So come on, stop down, get you a shirt. 269 Classic shirts. This box right here will be in Detroit at Tire Tracks. My man's, go see Frank, a little Frank. Tell him you down there to get one of them 269 Classic t-shirts. This box was full. Look how fast it was. That box was full. That box was full. That matter of fact, that's like the third box of that one right there. Yes, go down there to Tire Tracks in Detroit. Go get you some Forgies and go see Frank. Matter of fact, get on now. Yeah. Oh, this is different. This ain't even the one, but this is one of them. We got like, man, maybe 5 different styles of them. So go down there and check it out. Let me see. This one, let me see if I can show you guys what this one looking like. Give me a second. 2 seconds, won't take long. Bam. Don't want to get it dirty though. I'm quite sure y'all have seen it 1,000 times, but over there like that, but there they go. On down there. Stop by the world famous detail shop and get you one of them 269 Classic t-shirts with orange crush on it and that orange vet. Go on down there, check it out. But hold on one more time. Look at that. Yeah. Let's get up on that. Yeah. Yeah, that's how we doing it. Abracadabra. Presto. Yeah, like that on Big Snow right there. But hey, just wanted to show y'all guys the new running boards. Y'all talking about get some running boards and paint them white. Man, I wish I would have done something like that. Y'all crazy. You crazy mofos? No, sir. No. Hey, man, we about to go. We've been at work and we tired, the sun's shining. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Share the video. Tell somebody we gone.
269 Classic cars. 269 Classic cars.